Practice writing essay thesis statement. Secured with this backbone, then everything is easy. What's an announcement-type thesis statement? It's a well-known fact or situation that's not debatable. It leaves nothing to argue about or to be developed in a body. Exercise 1. Write an A besides each sentence that is an announcement. Write OK beside the statement that is a clear, limited point which could be developed in a body. 1. A. This essay will discuss the people you meet in exercise classes. Okay, I know. And so what? B. My workout clothes worn in my aerobic classes identify jogs, struggle, and princesses. Good. It tells how and why. 2. A. I made several mistakes in the process of trying to win the respect and affection of my teenager stepson. There is a time process and aspects of certain area to discuss. B. My thesis in this paper is relationship between step-parents and stepchildren. As compared, is relationship sounds like a definition. 3. A. A period of loneliness can teach you to use your creativity, sort out your values, and feel empathy for others. There is a subject, some objects as controlling ideas for discussion. B. Loneliness is a subject of this paper. It just claims a name and a fact, subject of essay. So what do you think? A clear limited point means it contains certain content to be proved or supported. It should be within your ability to cover and argue, not too shallow, not too big, for body examples. Okay, now this is do-it-yourself exercise. You know why they are good or bad, right or wrong. So complete the first part that I have marked the comments. Then do the second part with our guidelines. In this page, watch out the words I underlined and compare the differences within the pairs. Then you can tell which is right or better, to avoid or to keep on. Well, you have done a great job. Congratulations on your mastery of this practice. It's not an easy job. From now on, you'll be more comfortable to create your own thesis statement. Thank you.